Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A83 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here we want to scroll down to let's see, presume it's going to be general, but before I do so I do want to check one thing. Accounts, so there's no account signed in. Anyway, I'm gonna go into general, backup and reset at the bottom, and then factory data reset. Here you can select to erase all several different things. So we have reset system settings. We're looking for erase all SMS messages, content, so it's this one right here. So erase all content and the settings, and then select erase all, erase, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take about, well, probably a couple minutes for this phone, so let's arm ourselves with patience. And anyway, I'm gonna come back once the setup screen is visible on my end after the reset. And the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.